Hey guys, it's Mr. Heinz. You've got a quiz today. And so, a couple things I want you to focus on before you take the quiz. You get about 5 minutes or so to study. First off, you have to know how to spell DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. So, make sure you know it's two words and the spelling must be correct. Next thing I want you to focus on is the base pairing. In DNA, A's match up with T's, C's with the G's. And we call that base pairing. Also, know the structure of DNA. What is a nucleotide? What is the role of a nucleotide? So, it's a building block of DNA. It's made up of a sugar, phosphate, and a nitrogen base. Those nitrogen bases can either be A's, T's, C's, or G's. And on DNA, we have a backbone, which is a sugar phosphate backbone. The sugar in DNA is called deoxyribose, but in the name, it's deoxyribonucleic acid. Also, I want to make sure you understand who the people were that found DNA. It's Watson Crick and Rosalind Franklin, and they came up with the structure of DNA that it was a double helix twisted. Um, okay, and so you also need to know the DNA replication piece to it. And with that, you need to know the enzymes. So make sure you know the role of DNA helicase, which unzips the DNA, DNA polymerase, which assembles the DNA nucleotides to make new DNA during replication. And we've got DNA primase, which starts the primers, but lays down 3 to 5 base pairs of RNA primers that starts an Okazaki fragment, and ligase, which will glue those fragments together to make a strand of DNA on the lagging strand, which brings me to the picture of replication. So make sure you understand what the leading strand is, the lagging strand, know what DNA polymerase looks like, know what the primers are, and Okazaki fragments. What else? So I think that's kind of mostly it. Make sure you know how to pair up the base pairs and a little bit about the information of DNA and study that for about 5 minutes, and then we'll take the quiz and you'll do fine.